Kababayan LA, ilang araw na lang po at simbang gabi na. Pag-uusapan din po natin yan dito sa ating programa. But for now, earlier, I announced the two winners of the Bello Skincare Clinic gift certificate. $150 po yan. And we promised to pick three winners. And in fact, napakarami pong entries. And so we decided to pick 5. So nagdagdag kami ng 2. Another winner is Maria Priscilla de Guzman. Thank you so much for that wonderful email. Well thought of. Sinabi niya, ang favorite moment daw niya this year was your coverage last month of your trip to Korea, showing Sunrise Peak and 500 steps to the top of the volcano that you climbed. And also favorite moment ay yung Slam Girls with Sheila Ferrari and Chelsea Imata at ang dance routine called Filipino Flash and the Triple Threat. Naku, ikaw Priscilla, nag-research ka siguro. youtube.com/kababayanla18. Also, congratulations to Luis Panaligan. Favorite Kababayan moment on Kababayan LA is the LA18 Harvest Moon Festival in Arcadia. The announcement of Janelle So that she will be one of the hosts of that festival encouraged us to go there. Aba, thank you so much. And finally, congratulations to Roberta Staley. Parang Filipino-American to. I watched her travel in Korea when she ate the horse meat and liver. Her face was funny. Ayan, thank you ha. Pinagtawan mo pa ako. Pero nanalo ka ng $150 gift certificate sa Bello Skincare. We're going to be sending you an email, but you need to send us your address so we can mail you the $150 gift certificate from Bello. All right, simbang gabi. Father Albert Avenido and Joey, is it Joey? Raymond. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA. Every year, Father, we talk about this, simbang gabi. May nababago ba?
Janelle, ngayon, babati ako sa iyong mga tagapanood, sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Taon-taon may nababago. For this year, unang-unang nababago, of course, yung theme. 2012, the theme actually of the Universal Church.
2011 ba? 2012.
By coming next year,
okay.
No? Which in the liturgical calendar, the new year starts on the first Sunday of Advent.
No? Okay.
So, sa 2012, ang trust ng simbahan ng Universal Church ay evangelization. So, the theme of our Simbang Gabi speaks so much about evangelization. Jesus, our light, ignite our hearts to evangelize.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah. So, that's the first one na bago, no, yung tema. Ito ang isang pinakabago. Bago ang ating Arsobispo, Archbishop Jose H. Gomez. This will be his first simbang gabi at the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Angels, no? So, yun. But of course, yun ding ating mga grupo na namamahala ay sa pag-organize ay bago rin. Of course, si Raymond, and I'm so blessed, no? The Archdiocese is so blessed with Raymond Guzman being the overall chair.
Okay.
For Simbang Gabi 20.
Sa Simbang Gabi sa Pilipinas, alam natin, gumigising ng maaga dahil madaling araw dito sa Amerika, napakalamig, napakabisi ng mga tao, hindi magising ng maaga. Ang mangyayari sa cathedral, it's gonna happen instead of early morning December 16, it's gonna happen evening of December 15?
December 15, that's correct.
And anong mga pwede nating abangan doon?
Mga pwedeng abangan doon ay yung parade of paroles, na sasalihan ng iba't ibang parokya sa ating Archdiocese of Los Angeles. And not only that, we're going to have civic organization and religious organizations joining us as well.
So, pumunta po ng maaga dahil mahirap pong makahanap ng parking, correct? Dahil punong-puno po ang cathedral, and after that, that's the only night na may simbang gabi sa cathedral. Kumbaga, kick-off.
That's correct.
After noon, pupunta na kayo sa sarili niyong mga parishes to find out kung anong schedule ng simbang gabi, right?
That is correct, Janelle.
Yes.
Actually, as the Mother Church in the Archdiocese of Los Angeles, we start the send-off of the parole. This is very meaningful, actually, that each parish who will have their simbang gabi will bring their parole to the cathedral. And the Archbishop Jose Gomez, will bless each one of them. And then he will send them forth.
And I'm looking forward to the homily of Archbishop Gomez, no? Dahil yung mga nakaraan, talagang they learn about the Filipino culture and they incorporate that sa kanilang mga homily,
Yes.
diba? And ano bang significance ng simbang gabi pagka magpapasko?
Well, simbang gabi is to remind all of us na waiting for the birth of Christ. And with our theme this year is for the parents, no, to ignite their hearts, na para sila ay yung mga anak nila ay lalong maging malapit sa ating Panginoon.
Maturuan
nila to become more closer to God.
All right, and that's the number on the screen if you want to get more information. Also, the slide has information about the Simbang Gabi that's happening on Thursday, December 15 at the Cathedral. What time?
6:30 in the evening. But as you said, we invite them to be there by 5:30.
Oo, ako po, pag nagpupunta
Please.
ako dyan, 5 o'clock pa lang dahil napakahirap ng parking.
That's
But, you know,
true.
it's
Yeah.
great to be with the community. Thank you so much and more power to you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so much.
Janelle.
All right, Hollywood News, when we return on Kababayan LA, don't go away.